안녕하세요. Fever challenge! Prettiest ever. How is you? Parating na si Senator. Lahat kami nakasando. Sandos Club. She worms. Yes, my friends. Diyan ako nagsishot eh. Oh my gosh, gawa na yung bagong building.
Yes, oh my God. Para
May bago. College of St. Benilde. Hindi na kami nag-gym.
Hindi na pa kayo tumuha.
Hi, Pia!
Hello? Hi! Hello! Masaya ako na.
Alam niyo, parang ikaw. Hi, Pia! Missed you!
Ay!
Bawal yun, bawal yun.
I'm trying to Benildian vlogger spotted in the LSU Laguna.
Oh my God!
Ang daming nangyayari.
Si Pia.
Period. Hello!
Lalabas ba sa YouTube?
Di mo sure. Ay! Pagkaroon.
Transition. Tapos dapat nandun na tayo.
Okay, mamaya. Kaisa pa.
Dapat tatalon.
Ay!
Talon tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ay! Mami Oni!
Habang may
Napaganon ako.
Napaganon ako sa'yo.
We're going sa Macboom Cheese Coin.
Okay.
Talon tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Love it.
Ah! It's me again! Hello! Pagbabalik ko na po sa vlog ni Pia. Babalik ko, wow, 100% ang Opo, House of Benilde. Yes, napakagaling naman ng House of Benilde, di ba Pia? Yes. Ito na pagbabalik ko sa Wagyu. Bilis ko ma-distract. I'm eating Big B.
Na-miss ka nila.
Na-miss niyo ba ako? Mag-hi kayo. This is Pia, of course, ang may-ari ng account. Siyempre, kilalang-kilala niyo si Pia. She's eating Wagyu in shade DJI. Charis! Hindi. This is Fiona.
My first appearance.
How do you feel, Pia? May kasamang Big B yung mic. Kinain na naman. Lagi mo na lang kinakain.
Our amazing supporters
cute.
in the crowd. It's time.
Waitan, say hi!
We are doing
Come back to the young and beautiful you.
our winners.
Na-miss kita, parang 2 years tayo.
I know, right? Parang huling kita ko sa iyo, may braces ka pa.
Miss Michelle will draw.
This is Catherine Bernardo. And this is
Bel Mariano.
Ay,
Short.
wait lang. Let me introduce myself.
Umuya pa siya.
Teka! Ang kulit!
Si Bel Mariano, kaya pala dito si Don.
Christine Gonzalez, where are you?
No comment.
Uy, introduce na.
Ito na. 안녕하세요. 저는 Fiona입니다. I am 19 years old and I am from UST College of Architecture. Let's see kung nandun pa ako next year. Ano ba? May request ba kayo? May request po ba kayong kanta? All by myself.
Nasa dito siya. Carlo! Dito kasi, arte mo naman. Ayan. Binakot na niya. Dito ka nakita. Chicken and bread. Sobrang
Another 4,000 pesos.
Ito na po. Ito na lang papanoorin nyo.
So learn and
Thank you.
where are you? Bazaar here.
love the shade, DJI. Let's go, Ina! I'm so happy for you! So proud of you! You waited so much for this moment! Team Barricade! Team Barricade po! Barricade tayo sa indang! Pagod? Pagod ako!
Parang ikaw yung sumayaw eh.
Napagod ako! Feeling ko, may pa-iced tea sa akin ang Dakiwag family! Napagod ako! Ang galing ni Ina! Okay na. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Pagod na ako. Welcome to Gaps. Welcome. Wala bang pa-iced tea sa Dakiwag family? Kasi sigaw ako ng sigaw.
Ano na lang po, Beroka na lang po.
Oh my God, we're matching.
Y'all are haters.
Matching kami, matching.
Just don't...
Oh, nakadilaw kasi shaggy. Yes, with matching bag. With, oh my God, gawa to nung idol ko. Si Ina. Oh my God. This is not sponsored, by the way. I bought this with my own money kasi sobrang support ako si Ina. Diba? It's so well made. It's a sunflower because it matches my whole outfit. Fiona!
Sasabay ka ba kay Kina Jen?
Oo. Hello? Hi everyone! Welcome back to Bieber Challa! Welcome to Bieber Challa! Yes! Ito po si Rai at saka si Senator. Si Senator.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. It's an honor.
It's
and a
an honor.
privilege.
I was the first honor, she's the second honor, and this is the third honor.
Oh, lahat kami nakasando.
Yes! Sandos Club. Ang dilim! Ang dilim! Buti pa si Rai naka-polka dots. Mukha siyang may butas. Hi everyone. This is the prettiest ever Rai Rai.
No.
The senator is agreeing.
Hindi po.
Ay, hindi ka daw ma-agree, senator.
Agree.
Ah, agree.
So, kailan ang next Pilates, ano natin? When is the function? Kailangan na natin plano.
Function is A is equal to negative B plus and minus square
Ano?
root B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Don't you agree? Our Mr. IE? No. Biyay ko maghawak. Kasi hawak ko na yung phone ni Rai. Ano pa? Hawak ko yung phone ko. Hawak mo ang... Hawak ko ang beat. Hawak ko ang... Meron kasi akong target na kailangan patawan kasi kanina pa siya nakasimangot. So, mahirap i-match ang kanyang humor. So, kailangan ko ilabas ang aking full potential.
The age gap kasi.
How old are you, sir?
25.
20. Wow, 25. So what are you eating, sir? Ay, sorry, sir. Sorry. I'm so sorry, sir.
Good luck to future Pia editing this vlog kasi alam kong sobrang kalat.
How is UP?
Ang init!
Fit check. Where is the fit from?
The top is from Shopee. Pants are from Uniqlo. Adidas, Sambas.
Pakitasok ka. What is your greatest contribution to the society? My greatest contribution to the society is my education. Because I believe my education is the greatest contribution to this nation. Because it gives me foundation. And my foundation is Issy Foundation. In the shade? In the shade, DJI. I will now pass on the next question to candidate number 2. Kindly enter candidate number 2. Candidate number 2. Candidate number 2. What is your contact lens? Joke lang. Ito na. Ay! Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. At dahil dyan, meron kang 5 pitik with soft moves. 1, 2, 3.
Distilled water.
3, 4, 5. Oh, hindi ko na pinahirapan, tinamlaps ko na. Take it away. Making my way downtown, walking fast. Ito na, parating na si Senator. Si Senator. Senator. Ay.
Ginawang tripod eh.
Uy, mag-post naman kayo. Nangangala yung tripod. Nag-post din siya. Sige na, totoo na. Bye-bye na. Sige, bye-bye. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Family picture. Mom and dad. Very good. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye! Bye-bye, vlog! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye, vlog! Bye-bye!
Bye, vlog.
Welcome! I'm back! We're here at Coachella.
Yeah, and it's me and God's show.
Actually, they offered.
Yes,
but
they
we were
offered,
just
but-
too busy.
Yes.
Kasi
Kumbaga parang yung organizers ng Coachella, in-approach talaga kami noon.
Yeah.
Pero sabi ko kay Gab, Gabi, gugupa natin. Eh, noong time na yun, may school tayo. Eh, syempre guys, academics is the most important thing in the world. So yung mga opportunities na yan, babalik din yan.
Kasi yung education, that is our greatest contribution to the society.
Yan.
Diba?
That's right. So, ayan. Ay,
Hindi, magsalita ka lang.
okay.
Go.
So, ayan po. If you're interested or if you're looking for one guy host and girl host na mag-collab or mag-co-host, kami na yun.
Ito po yung email namin. Actually,
right here.
ako nagturo sa kanya mag-host.
Ay,
Don't be afraid to approach us kahit mukha siya nangangagat minsan. Hindi po yung totoo. Medyo mangangati ka lang kasi dati siyang nasa itchy worms. O sige na, bye-bye na. Bye-bye na. O sige. Okay, ako lang yung binayaran para sa TF ng vlog na to, kaya ako lang makikita ng mukha nyo. Bye! Yes, so yun yung ano ni Waitan. Bye, Fio! Actually, kami talaga yung nag-finance nung event na to. Kami naghanap ng itchy worms. Close kami nung manager. We're actually ang tawag doon, play dates in kindergarten. So we're very close. So madali lang yung naging contact system namin, di ba? Contact system. Bakla, may kotse! Is it EKR? Why is it not
Kingdom Hall.
Why ang nagpagawa ng letters E? Ay, dito tayo. Dito tayo sa tapat ng kotse para may light. Para may ring light. Nandito tayo ngayon. Ito, may pa-light na tayo. Courtesy of Tito Dennis. Courtesy of Tito Dennis Pogi Official. Thank you so much po sa pa-ring light namin. Onting busina naman dyan. Sige na. Mahal na ang gas. Tara na. Let's go. Again. Sige na, we're gonna have private conversations of me. Charit. Goodbye. Bye.